Good day, everyone. So our topic for today is about on how to export an AIA file from MIT App Inventor platform or IDE. Okay, for the first step, kindly click the project bar here and select export selected project.aia to my computer. Okay, since we already exported a .aia file, this file will be stored in download storage in your computer. Okay, as you can see here, we have the news updated AIA file here. Okay, so let's move on to our second topic. Our second topic is on how to email your .aia file project. Okay, first we need to copy this .aia file. Use Control C and after go to your Gmail account and compose a message. In this part, you can type here the receiver of your file. For example, Holy Cross College sa at gmail.com. Since you already copied the file, you can paste it here by using Control V, or if you don't know the control, you can use this attach file button here and it will show you this storage and you can choose your specific file to submit or to email to another account, and you can click the open button. Okay, after send or click the send button. Okay, since you already paste the file, so let me check. Let me try. Okay, as you can see here in our sent box, it confirmed that we already sent this AIA file or that AIA file to Holy Cross College SASA. Alright? So, okay, that's all for today. I hope you've learned something from this discussion. And bye-bye.